Abusia Raf the fellow Ghanaian Abekasa concerning the incident with I show speed no obetrensive the entire occur honomo. I'm a kind of the media so. Trouble Carlos Abebonadwe Edachi. Na face no skate maker as a comedian DKB Ghana which obedi the Akufo Addo attempt. Hey, we di Akufo Addo attempt. I said the Sebe Nana mo Akropong International Council. We di omu nyina attempt. Memo nchirimu no akere wadwe amame e wo comment section. How you Penyah block media. Mess what say didi mo. Obe like video no other about subscribe button. Some be click notification and latest update na be kere wadwe da amame e wo comment section. So ba so a. No say for so enya bi ahwe. Enti yan free Raf the Flogan e we say obekaya be ka kire o say I show speed ever Ghana had more kwesiara na dwe no. Kona obe live stream Monday no. Emma Monday ndru ye or the jume den share so Emma how was it begin na efe Oko start wo ensu an waterfalls ebe honom kwade ma no mango ediye.
And you can discard in the water because obviously
it's fresh.
It's very fresh.
Damn. Why you so cold, bro? Damn.
Isn't it bomb? It's so good. Have you had a mango this good yet?
No.
I know.
Is this fresh? Chat, this that natural, bro. Chat, this that natural, chat. Holy crap.
Emma mango can say that mango the man no. It better pass the jollof way Nigerians gave them. The mango is a better pass the jollof. What I say? Emma Nesna ni achi in fact Ghana had ni achi pa mango can say, oh in fact he gotta get a house in Ghana here. Because ni achi Ghana had no more pay Emma Nesna enye federal. From there no, yeah didn't call Independence Square. Emma okoye car drifting ko he ni so ade ko no ko homa supercar spectacle ko he ni na bia say amount for display e putting omu talent in a display for him to watch. Emma is o showcase ni na e de kire wiase ne ko ni 50 million na kire egu so omu ehwe no ntina you know bia ye ade bia onim ene ade Emma ka anka yawa kora ya pai yawa anka pai you say Mr. Witness, a big problem for me. That guy, thank you. We could do awesome. But you peer this in Jay.
Let's get there with speed. Stop playing with the West Left guy.
But again, was out of nowhere. Almost free Independence Square no. Enom call Kwame Nkrumah Museum. Na hono Nkrumah statue na hono mo no. And I know omo ekwaja to go your pictures. Na him say Obedru Ghana hanom nipa me kai say o man gi no tumu say only di no emfa ni roam about. Enteche na tourist area ni ade ye culture na ade wo Ghana hanom. Eye Wodemaya, the biggest YouTuber in Africa. Wodemaya. Ono ana mejiri se oman no eturi so say onye se adwuma no tourism or the opportunity onye se adwuma. But out of nowhere ye wo Kwame Nkrumah Museum honom no now Raf the Flogan in eduru honom oduru ya nse be Raf obi ani Jimmy kokoti sem any foolishness na oni speed etwe
Yo, chill, bro. Let's put the camera. Relax.
Do you see it?
Yeah, this is the iconic place.
Can y'all go this way?
No, where he was buried?
This needs to be right here. He needs to be right here. Can you get it?
We love you so much. We love you, bro.
Can you see it?
Hello.
You can see it.
So you need to have a tour of the place, get the history behind.
He already told me.
And you don't want to have the tour?
He told me.
Yeah, so you need to have the tour.
Calm down. You here?
So take your time. Take your time. The lady that started the tour must continue with you from all the places. Behind you is the mausoleum. Behind you is the mausoleum. They need to tell you the story behind the whole place. So you need to take your time.
No,
tell your people to relax.
Listen, what he's saying is that he's not supposed to go everywhere. No. He just want to take a video of Nkrumah here. Hold on. And that's it.
Wait, one second. Let me get a picture with the statue.
That's it.
Let me get a picture with the statue. Let me get a picture with the statue.
No, chill. So you can laugh. That's okay. That's okay. Hey. Is it okay?
Can you see me?
Space.
Is it good? Or you gonna move or not?
Hey, Leon.
Chat, this is one of the back in 1992.
Tell everybody to go back. Come here.
There you go, look.
Get it? Take a picture.
You want me and Leon to hold you up on the shoulder? Take a picture.
So where you are standing currently is the declaration ground. This is the exact point that Dr. Kwame Nkrumah stood to declare the independence of Ghana. This is the exact place he stood. So at the park, this is what we call the declaration ground. Just behind you. So let Madam take you through the talk. So just take your time.
So this is where Dr. Nkrumah stood to declare independence 6 March 1957. And this whole park was then used by the British. They used to play the game polo and no black was supposed. So he declared it their base. Even though he declared, he was still not made president because the Queen was still around. So 1st July 1960, he was sworn in as president.
Oh, okay.
So the statue is made of bronze.
So chat, this is basically the declaration. Yeah.
So we are going to the museum. We want you to go and see the burial place.
Let me know when you want us to pick you up.
Just here.
Yeah.
Just behind.
Leon, go back. Leon, go back.
You got it?
Okay, so we are moving to the mausoleum.
Burial place. The
You get it?
So let's do the mausoleum. When she comes, then we come back and take a picture. Okay, so please, the mausoleum, not everybody should go there. So control the crowd.
So we're going to the museum, then we come back again. Let's go.
Nice to meet you.
She's here. The minister is here.
What is going on?
That's it. The daughter of the that's it.
Oh,
Wait, you see the manager, sir? That's the daughter.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. I just wanted you to meet
That's your dad?
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Bro.
Pardon?
Move out the way of the cameraman.
Oh, that's crazy. Cat, this is your daughter.
This is your home.
I know. No, battle my Akufo Addo. That's crazy. What?
I hope you're an Nkrumah and Pan-Africanist. I hope you can continue the mission. Has faith in you. Okay?
Thank you.
Yes.
Do you believe Africans should be united?
We all should be united.
Good. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet y'all.
Nice to meet you.
In a heating argument, you name the rough open. And now, even in the video, could see said, "No speed, airborne your son, small rough air come now on your okay. When you're interested, Emma do a buy in the media as a crown. amount for a blast say hey Raf enti wo de e never dia wo kwa wo ye hwan wo ye nipa ba ya
yo na hwan na ma Raf koko gina baby speed in channel wo nkwasi asem ya kanim go ase bia nka Raf okwa kogu ye Raf ja jimi no wate wo kwati tintesu agogu speed so sa ade hey obi abana wono no oba ba be promote Ghana no e ho na wo koye politics are you fucking crazy what jimi ana na speed of Ghana oh me see dey Ghana obenye obi awayare ana so wajimi ebi ni Raf adwuma be na Raf ye no akogina wo okotietie mu otietie bogu ne kan so ani o na boys ni say pepe gina fa ujimi ni firi ai pepe gina jonso koda donkey mai enko wogu ya ni mu asi o kurasi ni bisa no Raf no firi ko ba so kura awe don't too much obi apase o feel more experience in Ghana what you see yamani fa dipa enya dey efanko on fa dipa nchire wi ase nya say Ghana is the best obetima ba wa ba be visit Ghana what you see be promote your tourism attraction places bebre e wona akwakoya politics e betietie magu ne so wo de wa jimie no wase adwen say wo de politics jimi say nya kaiti speed Ghana nko ye fa no be speed Ghana problem fa do be akwa jimi hey Raf no free fa the brothers say wo free Kumasi nke ya wo Jonky mai asia bisa no eya ja jimi no na mo ani ntina ayo kurasi ni dodo
and am so my was enne Raf eba live na oba ya ewo TikTok no eno be kire mu die ntia okọ hodom ana se nyina ne se wo hu se stream na unia eye no nipa 50 million na kire ene gutu ehwe we asa fona nyina ntina opeso use that opportunity to advocate for the removal of Kotoka name from the Ghana's airport. It's Yenyi Kotoka free airport. No so.
Speed has over 50 million followers, yeah? And most of the African Americans that follow him, we need a campaign. We need a campaign to be able to achieve that name Kotoka to be taken out of our. And I wanted to use that opportunity and use his platform to advocate for that. At that moment,
so question we are not cool because I wow.
No. See, you see, there are. What I'm saying, there are times where like there were a lot of conversations that went on. Most of you guys didn't even see.
Obi be na dia akono. Raf added that opportunity no. Be dim kwasi asem or the be or obi platform. Eda be politics. Na gwa no wajimiana. Na ko ni ti na gusu rasta basa no enti ehwu gentiri wana se de. Obi bedi ni dwuma akọ. Wakọ baabi bia mia bebrebe. Obi ankoya jimi sem ho no se ne wabade aklache ene o platform na fireman ye. Ne advocate say aduwe kwaso ememu ye mpe ye hia wofro. Mu de baabi a mu dim kurasesem eba ho no mo. There is a na Raf ye no. Uko media ne so trouble colors abe blast no.
Speed has over 50 million followers, yeah? And most of the African Americans that follow him, we need a campaign. We need a campaign to be able to achieve that name Kotoka to be taken out of our. And I wanted to use that opportunity and use his platform to advocate for that. At that moment,
so question we are not cool because I wow.
No. See, you see. There are times where like there were a lot of conversations that went on. But one thing for the guy where I can't see, they say he can't do in content. It be content he can't hear. You don't say they can't project Africa. No, it be fully content he can't hear do. So they say as the monitor in tweets. People they watch him live. They watch in stream. Like, how many people that be what the intended they do. When we went to the Bukom there, was it Bukom? Maybe Uncle boxing.
Yeah. No. If he be Bukom,
is it Jamestown, right? No, we went to one place as well. You could do honorable, right? Yeah, no, it one boss. The boss finish, you know. One girl be two can inside say
you won't fight
them. Yeah. It tells you he do intend finish.
Yeah, time is gone. Yeah.
Ghana for now you're a very dark man. Ghana, but you're a very dark man. We end up finding very black man. Just say, we Jimia motim se wuntimene. Ni trimuno. When as what Kenyans are somewhere. Speed. over 50 million followers just on YouTube keke. The other platform now was stream was no kwade nyamaye. Into ono at the country oko honi nyina ne say okope speed a platform no de akwa politics e de akwa campaign. Na umwa kwa oko advocate si en change kutoka edin no. Na kutoka din no say ye change a eno emfaso pay ena de bebre Ghana. Speed bedru Ghana from Akropong here to Accra was he a far plane ena de mano. Edie bentia a lot of traffic e kwan nye. Omu bedru baby kro omu ko traffic e wo kwan mu. Minim se bia kwase yi beka se anka me de ne platform ne baba advocate se empanyimfo no mumu mani nkọ Ghana kwan no ho mo. Because speed bedru ye kra won hwe kwan o di free Akropong here de ba enye plane anke bedi ne 3 days o kwan so. Minim se bibi sa na nkọ baba beka ho. Because imagine obi akwa bie factory ewo the other side of Akropong oba Accra woni plane ni nkosua eye poultry farm nkokọ ne nyina omu bewu ebesai enti ne kwan no omumie biem no omunye na kasa enye nyina no omunye ne nyina mfiri kwan no so minim se bibi sa na kwan no so obeje platform de akwa advocate da bi okwa advocate se nku change kutokadin na America for no rade de odema ye ni o o kasa wiese se so a wonim so wakanya nsasem bia ma and speed no oba Ghana he was there for the personal interest na wo ade abaye ye kotutu na nado cathedral ho national cathedral was it not for your own personal interest ade na wo ye na enye ho ka na de ma wa betena ha amanfo kasa ka no na nkoso de kasa yemfa mi adwuma ma wo ti asoma kan ye enye obi na bekyerɛw de wonfo sikanye but wie no wo sa be ka dum chedu ade ya sa wie yo sa be gina so say an na nko betimi ni say ye ni say this kana ye say wo de enye obi na bekyerɛw de wonfo sikanye ba wo kyerɛ bi de wonfo ni sikanye chale akwa we em so wa adwunu mu yare o I don't know what is wrong with this guy. Say all kono all monitor oba Ghana so be create content na wa maso be project Ghana ne content na wo create no enye Ghana na content na project Ghana ana so ba no ba so ba be story na wo kwase na nka de nam sana nko opo de na opanyina no na nko okunko no nam here Ghana this is this here if you pass here sana nko ope when your opportunity nintin wakwa akotana obiebie no kan kwase asem obo oye fight in wie no any power for ba no so wonku biem what the time na ye adwuma on top of that wa magana so ba be boxing. This brother has been on African tour. He don't sleep. Okrano, the world or that's where energy na no di movie no krano. Uyo obi anka beka say akọ wo energy o. Owie Ghana osaso fro ko different country. Mentally kran he's drained wa bre. Wodi wu Jimmy sem no anu na wo trim say ye me change kutokadi. How is he going to benefit Ghanaians? Say change kutokadi. Mudi say Jimmy say ya Jimmy. Eso ni tro no so no nyansa hu. Utu say wa Jimmy sa wontime na sa akwa we.
Na ino obekaya speed ebedru Ghana hanom na me ka say de call insuo na no ekọ massage no honom ema no fruit edi ya no right from there. Ya de ne ba Akropong traditional area be shia nanom because according to speed no o hail from Akropong no wafa e Akropong edi ade it oka say oba kra obekọ ho no oba Ghana obekọ akwacha no wafa and Akroba akwacha no wafa e Akropong na Akropong honom no yama no edine as edi ade man in fact speed and kas na eyere de yama no din berma Kofi Akufo and no Akufo din a eye special to the people of Akropong Akropong for din a edimu yemfa ntuni behunu bi akeke Akropong for din a edimu enya achim dini enya achim da bi enya achim ye ka Akropong din a edimu ewa Akropong enti omo de say din no berima Kofi Akufo and a to I show speed ma say din no be all ko nyina na obobo din say eye ni dewu
talk to Baruma Kofi Akufo like you are familiar. Baruma. Berima. Do not talk to Berima Kofi Akufo. Berima Kofi Akufo. Berima Kofi Akufo. Berima Kofi Akufo. No, Berima Akufo Kefu.
Say your money dini. Na efa say din we no. Ana we say DKB Ghana abekasa. Na ne kasa mu no. In fact, na mani die mo. We di Akropong for ahemfo na tem. Amo say di Akufo Addo tem, the former president of Ghana odina tem. We make a post e wo Facebook and we didn't say my oculaye. I can't believe of all names in this noble country, the Ghanaian name they could give I show speed was Berima Kofi Akufo. Just say me da me ntiase me dwene ho ensipo. As a Ghana idea wa ha na idea edimu among all the noble names idea enmunyam wo ma edimu e wo Ghana ha no no. Idea betim da ma Berima no eye Berima Kofi Akufo. Akufo, that's gonna be him frustrating fans, making fans miserable and demanding fans to pay speed levy for 8 years. Well, at least he will still be a show boy. Just what you say, Edina ye diamano no. Edina ye diamano no. Just say, Ebema obeje ne fans no speed levy, and at least it will make him a show boy. And inside Ghana ha, na none afraid to show boy. Nese indirectly no, akwawe di Akufo Addo atem, or making mockery and making fun of Akufo Addo. He can't kwasi asem. Okay, can't Jimmy sem. Next, I also have a case. Among all the noble names in this country, Ghana, a deal waiting their mano, Eya Berima Kofi Akufo, Akufo. Next, a sebe. Kwasi episode trese. Nana no monimwa, and Penyah question as a question and who said, Yemfa Berima Kofi Akufo, Emma, I should be sebe, Omuni Munyansa. Episode trese sebe, Oma Jimmy Tina, Omo Kotina Sieno. E dia ni munyam wo mo Ghana ha beberebe o ma nya ni munyam din bi amfa ama no ese Berima Kofi Akufo chese Akufo no kura kan na enahi politics ama mu bi wo ho mu jimi o ma we mododo mu di politics chi e kasa jimi so mu kasa mu nsua nyansa mu nwe na asebuti no nyansa se bi nem DKB wo ye jimi fo ankasa hwemanim wonni mu nyansa uti no ebini na tata muti na ahonho no ebini na tata utirimu wonni mu nyansa. Politics ama mu bi mu jimi dodo. Can you say this to your father? Obet maka kan won kwase akasa we akire o father maame anase o father papa ese nana parenti Ghana hedian munyam wom ni dian yi won edian timi to papa eni di wet na gya wo nana anim akasa nkwase akasa we akire I say mo jimi ana Jimmy ana wo aboa bi se wo aboa wi ye nya na ka Akufo Addo wo ye nipa wo okoma di kra anyefe enya police about ko run this mu a wo ha ne kanimu Ghana DKB Ghana ka hwan ne nimu enya politics awdu ko rama wo anka hwan ne nimu Ghana mu kasa mu nsua nyansa na mu nane mu ankotene ngurom mu be ye nipa ye ne wa betena Ghana ha no mo kire wa dwe mame e wo comment section hi Penyah blog media.